Imagine standing in a museum, staring at an ancient artifact, something so mysterious that even the world's top archaeologists can't quite agree on its purpose. Was it a tool, a religious relic, or something far more advanced than we ever imagined? History is full of bizarre, unexplainable objects that challenge everything we think we know about our ancestors. Today, we're diving deep into the lost artifacts of the ancient world, uncovering their possible uses and revealing 3 cutting-edge studies that could rewrite history as we know it. Stick around, because at the end, I'll share a mind-blowing bonus theory about an artifact that might change your perspective on ancient civilizations forever. Number 1. The Antikythera Mechanism, the world's first computer. Discovered in 1901 off the coast of Greece, the Antikythera Mechanism remains one of the greatest archaeological mysteries of all time. Dubbed the world's first analog computer, this intricate device, dating back over 2,000 years, was capable of tracking celestial movements with astonishing precision. A groundbreaking 2022 study by researchers at University College London used 3D X-ray imaging to reconstruct the missing gears and confirmed that the device was far more advanced than previously thought. It could predict solar eclipses, moon phases, and planetary alignments, a feat that suggests ancient civilizations had a deeper understanding of astronomy than we ever imagined. But here's the real question: who built it, and where did this knowledge come from? Number 2. The Baghdad Battery, an ancient power source. In the 1930s, archaeologists in Iraq uncovered a peculiar object, a clay jar with a copper cylinder and an iron rod inside. At first, it seemed unremarkable, but when scientists tested it, they realized it could generate an electric charge when filled with an acidic substance like vinegar. This led to wild theories. Was this the world's first battery? Could ancient Mesopotamians have used it for electroplating gold, or even medical purposes? A 2023 research paper published in the Journal of Archaeological Science put this theory to the test. Scientists recreated the artifact using authentic materials and confirmed that, while the power output was low, it could have been sufficient for electroplating small objects. This raises an even bigger question: if they had electricity, what else did they know that we don't? Number 3. The Saqqara bird, a glider from the past. Egypt has no shortage of mysteries, but one of the strangest is the Saqqara bird. Discovered in a tomb dating back to 200 BCE, this small wooden figure, shaped like a bird, was initially dismissed as a child's toy. However, aviation experts who studied it noticed something remarkable: its aerodynamic shape closely resembles modern gliders. In 2024, aerospace engineers at MIT conducted wind tunnel tests on a replica of the Saqqara bird. Their findings? The artifact displayed lift capabilities that would have made it possible to glide through the air. Was this a mere coincidence, or did the ancient Egyptians experiment with early flight? If they did, what else might they have known about aerodynamics? Number 4. Other strange and unexplained artifacts. These artifacts are just the tip of the iceberg. Across the world, countless other mysterious objects defy explanation. The Dendera light, Egyptian carvings that appear to depict a light bulb. The Piri race map, a 16th century map that seemingly shows Antarctica without ice. The Voynich manuscript, a book written in an undeciphered language filled with strange botanical drawings. Each of these artifacts challenges the conventional timeline of human knowledge, hinting that ancient civilizations may have been far more advanced than we give them credit for. Number 1. The crystal skulls, ancient knowledge or modern myth. One of the most debated artifacts in history is the collection of crystal skulls found across Central and South America. Some believe they hold ancient wisdom, while others argue they are modern forgeries. However, recent laser analysis has revealed that some of these skulls show no tool marks, suggesting they may have been shaped using unknown techniques. If these skulls are truly ancient, what could they mean? Were they ritualistic objects, or could they contain encoded information waiting to be deciphered? The ancient world was full of wonders, many of which we still don't fully understand, from mechanical computers to possible gliders and mysterious power sources. These lost artifacts challenge everything we think we know about history. One thing is certain: the past is far more intriguing than we ever imagined, and the more we uncover, the more questions arise. If you found this video fascinating, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which artifact blew your mind the most. Thanks for watching, and remember, history is full of secrets waiting to be discovered.